Hello dear students, in this video I am going to explain about sum of products, that is SOP. So what are product terms? So it is any group of literals that are ANDed together. Product term is any group of literals that are ANDed together. So that is product term. For example, A, B, C. See, here three literals are there. These are ANDed together. A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B, C. A, B. A bar, C. Etc. Then fundamental product. A product that contains all variable in complemented or uncomplemented form. It is called fundamental product, or it is also known as mean term. For example, consider f equals to a comma b comma c. So three variable function. Then fundamental products are a b c, a bar b bar c, etc. Means this product consists of all the variables. See, this product consists of all a b c, and next a bar b bar c. So either in complemented or uncomplemented form. That is called fundamental product. Some terms. It is any group of literals that are all together. So what is product term? That are any group of literals that are ANDed together. And here it is any group of literals that are all together. Examples: A plus B plus C, A bar plus B, A bar B plus C, etc. Then what are literals? Literals are variables in complemented or uncomplemented form. So these are, see here, A is a literal, B is literal, C is literal, A bar is literal. Here also A is literal, B, A bar, B bar. Literals are variables either in complemented or uncomplemented form. Sum of product. So we know what is product, and we know what is sum terms. Then sum of product, SOP. It is a group of product terms all together. It is a group of product terms all together. Each product term consists of one or more literals either in complemented or uncomplemented form. And each of these sum of product expression consists of two or more product terms, that is and terms, that are all together. Okay, each of these SOP expression consists of two or more product terms and that are all together. Example: consider the function f a comma b comma c. So this is SOP. This is sum of see, this is one product and this is another product, right? So SOP is nothing but sum of product. So here sum of product. Okay. So this is the other example. PQRS. Here four variables. So P bar Q plus RS plus QR. So this is sum of product. Next, standard sum of product, or it is also called as canonical SOP or mean term canonical form. Okay. If each term in SOP contains all the literals, if each term in SOP contains all the literal, then the SOP is known as standard or canonical SOP. Each individual term in the standard SOP is called mean term. Example, f of a comma b comma c. So a b bar c plus a b bar b c bar plus a b c. See here, all product term contains all the variables a b c, right? So this is called standard SOP. This is called standard SOP. Okay. Mean terms from the truth table. Let's see how to construct mean terms from the truth table. The mean term expression can be written directly from the truth table. So consider an example. Consider truth table. So two variable truth table A and B. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 1. So this is a decimal representation. Okay, and this is mean term, and it is represented as m suffix I. Okay, so 0 0, the mean term is nothing but, so this is variable, right? A and b. So a bar b bar, so 0 0 is there, no? A bar b bar, so m naught. Next this one a bar b, this one a b bar, and this one a b. So m naught, m1, m2, m3. Next three variable truth table. So 0 0 to 1 1 1. These all are the mean terms. See A, B, C. A is 0, B is 0, and C is 0. A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar. This is This is one mean terms, and here A bar, B bar, C, and here A bar, because A is low, so B keep as it is B, and C is low, so that is C bar. Okay. Each mean term is represented by m suffix I. See here, right? Where the subscript I is the decimal number. See here, this m0, it is nothing but the decimal number. Okay. So where this is decimal number equivalent of the binary number. Okay. For n variable logical function, so there are 2 raised to n mean terms. See for example, for two variable, so this consider two variable, there is 2 raised to 2 mean terms, that is equals to 4 mean terms, right? 1 2 3 4. Okay. For 3 variable, this one 2 raised to 3 8. There are 8 variables, 8 mean terms. Okay. That is in the above example, there are two variables. This one, two variables. So that is n equals to 2. N equals to 2. Therefore, 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 2 equals to 4 mean terms. And here, uh, 3 variables, 2 raised to 3, that is equals to 8 mean terms. The logical expression corresponding to a given truth table can be written in a standard SOP form by writing one product terms for each input combination that produces an output 1. So here we are going to write the SOP, sum of product, from the truth table. Okay. Consider three variable truth table. So A, B, C are three variable, and this is output. Okay. Okay. Next. So the standard SOP for this truth table is f of A, B, C. A, B, C are the variables. That is this one plus this one plus this one, because here the output is high. So wherever the output is high, you write the mean term for that one and write the SOP. So therefore A bar, so this one is A bar B C bar. right? This one, and this one A bar B C, A bar B C, A bar B C. Okay, and for this one A B C bar, so A B C bar, A B C bar. Okay, or we can also write in this form also, f that is function f of abc equals to m2 m3 m6, m2 m3 m6, or we can write in this form also, that is summation symbol m. So that is a mean term representation, 2 2 3, this is 6. Okay, this is 6. Okay, so you can write sop like this also, or like this, or you can write in this form also. Okay, where this symbol denotes the sop, sum of product. So in the next video I am going to discuss this product of sum. Okay, thank you.